Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn about how to design a template for a website in our WordPress by using Elementor. First, to build a template for a website we need to install the required themes and plugins. So in this video we are going to use an Elementor as a page builder to design a template. So now let's go to our WordPress website and log into the admin dashboard. After logging to the admin dashboard, now let's go to the plugin. In that, click on add plugin. In that search plugin, search for a plugin Elementor. It will show us the results of Elementor website builder as a plugin. So now click on install now and activate the plugin. After activating the plugin, it will redirect us to Elementor dashboard. So for now, let's close this Elementor dashboard. By closing this, it will redirect us to our admin dashboard. Now let's install a theme. So now let's go to appearance and click on themes. On themes, now go to add, click on add themes. Now search for a theme called Astra. Now install this theme. Click on install and activate the theme. After theme is activated, let us use pre-built template design. For pre-built template design, we need a plugin called starter templates. To install it, now let's go to the plugin. In that, click on add plugins. In that, search for a plugin called starter templates by Brainstorm Force. Now click on install now and activate the plugin. After activating the starter templates plugin, now let's build a home page for our WordPress website. So now let's go to pages. In that, click on add page. Now let's give title for our page as home. After setting the page title, now click on edit with Elementor. It will redirect us to page builder for our home page. Now click on starter templates icon. It will show us pre-built templates of free and premium versions. For now, let's use a free version template. Now let's create a template of a portfolio for a digital agency. Now search for a relevant template. Now let's go with this digital agency template. After clicking on the template, it will show us the design preview. If we want to import this plugin, click on install required plugins and import. Beside to that, there is a question mark icon. If we click on it, it will show us what plugins are going to install while importing this template. Now let's click on install required plugins and import. Now our pre-built template is imported. Now click on eye icon to preview our design. Here, not exact template is imported. It is missing some styles due to WordPress having default settings. Let's make some small tweaks to get the cool looks for our design. Now let's click on publish to live our page in our WordPress. We can also change the design for responsive. Now click on mobile icon to check the view in mobile responsive. Now if we want to edit our page, on top bar we can see the edit with Elementor option. Click on it to edit the current page. If we want to make our home page as main page, let's go to the dashboard. In that appearance, now click on customize. In customize, click on home page settings. In that, select static page, and for home page select the page you want to set as a main page and publish it. If you want to know more about how to customize header and footer of our WordPress website, comment below customize. So I will upload the video on it in our channel. So please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. See you all in the next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.